Hello, this is Florence Azria. Welcome to my garden. Today I want to make a berry crumble. So, I'm lucky enough to have a fabulous, productive fruit and vegetable garden. And so I'm going to pick my berries fresh from the bush. So we're going to start with raspberry. I have a few at the moment just because I've been baking so much. But anyway, let me get them. Okay, so I'm gonna pick more blueberries. See, I'm grounded, I'm down to earth. And all that is going into my little basket. Oh, yes, the old lady is able to move. So let's go now and use all those beautiful products and bake. Here are the ingredients I'm gonna need. Butter, brown sugar. I like to toss my fruit in it. Sugar, flour, and almond flour. And some salt. So for this recipe, I'm not gonna measure the ingredients. Because it's kind of like a sandy a little bit, so it's, you can feel the ingredients. I'm gonna toss my fruit, that I pre-washed. Mix them together, and I'm gonna toss some brown sugar on it. So it's gonna bring all, the juices out, and I really like, it's very important if the fruit a little tart. It helps take down the tartness of it, and it will give a beautiful caramelized color. Then I'm gonna start with the butter, salt. I usually buy a thing that is French, it's called fleur de sel, but coarse salt will do. Then slowly I'm gonna add my flour. So I'll do a scoop at a time, and I really work with my hand. So as I go, I add one more flour, still feeling the texture, see? And the good thing about doing it by hand is you can really feel it. And it has to be crumbly. So my butter, I'm warming up the butter in between my hands, melting it, and then I'm gonna incorporate some white sugar and the almond flour. So, bit of sugar, you can feel it, Still, everything is in the touch. And see how my crumble is starting to form. The dough is starting to take shape, so you don't want super big pieces of butter either, because you want it to melt, but at the same time have that little sandy feeling to it. So, and now I'm gonna gently add the almond powder. I like it very almondy, but if you don't too much, add less than I do. My pie dish, needs to be buttered, so butter it generously with some paper. It has to be. Okay. Then add the fruit. So if you have pieces of brown sugar, just remove them. See, arrange them pretty, so when you're gonna serve, it's gonna be evenly. Sprinkle the mixture. But see how it's a little crumbly? So some people like it a little less covered. I like when you really have some dough on top of it. So I always pour, drizzle a little bit of brown sugar on top, so the goldenness, it's perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna bake it for maybe 45 minutes, depending on the oven, but mine goes at 350 convection. And, you know, I check it, and it has to be like kind of dry but moist, but like not bubbly. Do you know what I mean? Okay, I'll show you. Look at this absolute beauty. So I like to serve it either with cream or a vanilla ice cream. Et voilà, un crumble à la française. Thank you for watching me. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Stay tuned every Thursday at 6 p.m. We're dropping a new video. Enjoy!